Every watch enthusiast knows about the Omega Speedmaster and its legendary story of conquering the stars. As such, it's widely considered the most iconic chronograph of all time. 110 Speedmaster references exist currently on Omega's website, but not all of these watches are created equal. Hidden within the catalog is a reference so luxurious, special, and true to the legend of the Speedmaster, I think it's the best. The Omega Speedmaster Caliber 321. It's common knowledge that all Omegas are manufactured in Biel, Switzerland. Each and every Speedmaster Caliber comes to life under one Omega-owned and operated roof. But read up on the Caliber 321 and you'll learn it's made in an entirely separate facility than every other Speedmaster Caliber. Most articles keep it oddly discreet, calling this location something along the lines of a special workshop. The Omega official website doesn't even mention it on the Caliber 321 page. Further research reveals it to be the Omega Atelier d'Exquisite. Within these doors, two teams coexist, Team Tourbillon and Team 321. Both of these teams operate within the realm of serious, handmade high horology, tasked only to make these two types of movements, and the occasional anniversary piece, like the Omega 125th Anniversary Pocket Watch. The calibers are made one at a time, meaning each movement is assembled and regulated by the same person. It's put together, regulated, and adjusted, then taken apart to clean and put it together one more time. It's an old school way of doing things, tedious, sure, but it's a surefire way to know that everything is working properly. The 321 is a faithful recreation of the original Speedmaster professional movement, which passed NASA testing and subsequently was worn in the Apollo 11 mission in 1969, the first watch on the moon. Using 3D scan technology and blueprints from the archives, Omega was able to successfully revive this manual wound column wheel chronograph from the past. Breguet style balance spring, 18 karat Sedna gold PVD finish on everything that's not a moving part. A special movement needs a special host. Omega cases the 321 in the most understated yet luxurious package to date. Design-wise, you'll see the applied 18 karat white gold vintage Omega logo with cursive text. It retains the .over-90 bezel specification that is well known in the community as a defining original Moonwatch Q, 42mm case size, and a vintage-styled tapering flat link bracelet, akin to more period-correct models instead of the modern Speedmaster link style. Vintage Omega logo on the Micro Adjust Class 2. Materials and finishing is where this watch truly goes a cut above. The case and bracelet are entirely platinum alloy, albeit a special type of Omega Platinum which makes use of a little bit of gold in it. Bright, enduring shine is what you can expect from the material. It won't tarnish or rust and is chemically impervious to most environments. As one of Earth's rarest elements, it earns respect as a prestigious material usually reserved for men of nobility. In the late 1700s, French King Louis XVI declared platinum as the only material fit for kings. Brushed center links on the bracelet and case sides with high polish on the end links, case curves, and the bezel. I may get Omega enthusiast points for calling this watch a sapphire sandwich. Domed sapphire topside, and an exhibition case back in sapphire as well. It's textbook modern Omega spec for the bezel, done in black ceramic with white enamel scales. The dial is black onyx, an entirely opaque gemstone. And finally, the one small detail that I think defines this watch as the greatest Speedmaster ever made. All three subdials are done entirely in lunar meteorite. Real moon rock is your dial accent for a faithful and luxurious reconstruction of the first watch worn on the moon. $115,700 MSRP. Expensive, but it's the best. Arbitrarily speaking, that is. The Speedmaster Professional became so famous because it was the right tool built for the job. So, as a potential or current Speedmaster owner, consider this. Your budget, style, preferences, and needs determine the best Speedmaster. If you love the design and want genuine carefree daily wear, standard sapphire and steel Speedmasters are right for you. Despite the luxurious benefits of platinum, steel is better because it's lighter on wrist, more durable and scratch resistant, and the calibers inside these watches are modern. They're master chronometer certified, the easiest and cheapest to service. Or maybe you just really like gold. or want to diversify your collection with new materials like ceramic from the Dark Side of the Moon collection. But within the context of a Speedmaster being the best, 321's movement receives the most special treatment by Omega and is built and strictly quality controlled by a handful of artisans. The casing bracelet material is one of the rarest earth elements, setting itself apart by being the most brilliant of any other silver-toned metal. Underneath the ceramic bezel and stone dial lies a more direct connection to the moon, a genuine piece of stone from our one and only natural satellite, in which its ties to human civilization, Earth, and most importantly, the Speedmaster can't be overstated. So if the context is the most special Speedmaster with the most labor-intensive, inspired, and cared for creation, the Caliber 321 is the Speedmaster to rule them all. Meet all of your Omega needs at Exquisite Timepieces in Naples, Florida. We're one of the biggest ADs in the Sunshine State for the luxury end of Swatch Group, as well as over 60 authorized brands. Thank you all for 20,000 subscribers. After taking over the channel 8 months or so ago, our growth has really been staggering. All the homework I do in these watches is so I can get you as much information as possible in a way that's hopefully enjoyable to watch. So it's practically your channel at this point. Let me know what you want to see next from our collection in the comments. I'm Matt from Exquisite Timepieces. Thank you for your time and support.